Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial that's inspired by the Disney princess Rapunzel. So let's get started. So this look is a little bit more glamorous, so you can probably wear this at like an event or a party. So first things first, I'm just going to use this Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashbox and just kind of spray it all over my face. I don't have like a cream-based primer right now. I have to get some, but a lot of times I use this and I love it. It works perfectly fine. Just gonna spray it all over my face. Going to start with my eyes first. The palette that I'm gonna use today is Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette. Rapunzel's outfit, she has like a lot of purple tones in there. And this palette has like such beautiful shades, so I'm probably going to use those. So the first color that I'm going to use is Desert Sand on my eyes. So I don't know if anyone has seen Tangled here, but that is probably one of my favorite Disney movies of all time. I just like love that scene when Rapunzel is like at the castle and it's like nighttime and she's with the guy. I forget what his name is. Was it Flynn? Flynn Rider or something like that? And then like the lanterns all like light up. That was so cute. So now I'm gonna go in with this nice little purple color right over here. This one. Just gonna put it all over my lid. So typically, like, I like to use do my eyes first before I do anything else on my face, because like for one reason my eyes take like the longest, so I always like to start with part of my face that's going to take the longest and the most time and most sensitivity, because then everything else is like quicker and I can just do that in like 5 minutes. And this one I'm not going to put it all over my eyes. It's more going to be from the outside and just probably go halfway. Just kind of want to darken it up a little bit. Basically, I just want to like darken it up a little bit. Trying to just create a little bit more dimension. I like really love the beauty. Obviously, like, I love like her lashes and stuff, but I love her eye palettes. I think that the colors are so beautiful, especially like all these sparkly ones. I don't know if you guys noticed them, but like they look so nice on your skin. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to put this on my lids, because now I'm gonna put like a lighter color in there, so I just want to cover it a little bit so then I can put it on top. You only need a little bit, not too much. Seems like a good amount. And so now I'm gonna go in with Twilight and just put that all over the area. This color is just gonna give it a little bit more brightness and open up the eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with the same colors and just put them on under my eyes. Okay, so I'm mostly done with the eyeshadow, so now I'm just gonna go in and use some eyeliner. This is NYX's Epic Ink Liner. So for me, liner is one of the hardest things to do, but with practice, you can definitely get better at it. Typically for me, like if I'm wearing lashes, then I'll go all the way in. Otherwise, like on a regular day, I only do like the outside and maybe just go like halfway to my lids, because I have like hooded eyes. So a lot of times, like when I do use eyeliner, if I go all the way in, like it just doesn't look that good on me. So typically I only go halfway and then out. It just looks a lot more natural and my eyes look a lot more open. So yeah, you can see I went all the way in. It's a very thin line as I get closer to like the corner of my eyes. It's more so just for when I put lashes on, just to kind of blend it in. So I got the House of Lashes. So like I mentioned, I do have hooded eyes. So like my lash line and just like my eyes in general, they're very small. So what I typically do is I cut my lashes anytime I get them, because they're just like way too long for my face, and they just look unnatural. So I typically cut them. So that's what I did with these. Like you guys can see, they've been cut. They just kind of give it more of a natural look on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to get started on my face. I am going to do foundation first. I'm mixing Clinique Even Better makeup with Makeup Forever Ultra HD. So I'm just going to do that real quick. See, sometimes the issues that I have with foundation is that like I can never find the right color for my skin. So sometimes I have to mix foundations just to get something that's like perfect. Because sometimes I'll buy something and it's a little too dark and then my face comes out a lot tanner than I would like it to be. And then other shades are too bright. So sometimes I just mix them. And it works. I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna start putting it into my skin. To go in circular motions, just to make sure I get everything. Now I'm gonna go in with Shape Tape Concealer. And put this under my eyes. I have such a bad habit of keeping my mouth open anytime I do my makeup. I don't know why. And I keep telling myself, oh, close your mouth, but It just happens. And then I'm gonna use this foundation stick by Clinique. It's called Chubby in the Nude. I'm gonna use this to contour. This is in 26 Ample Amber. So I'm just gonna do that. Sometimes what I like to do is just spray this with my primer water. I'm just using Kat Von D's Dimension Powder for my brows. Already kind of filled them in, just to blend it out. So Rapunzel is known for her gorgeous long gold hair, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go with a gold highlight. This is Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette. Probably gonna go and like mix both of these colors in. So just gonna quickly highlight our face. So I go right on my cheekbones and then I go up right near my brows. Just go back and forth. So first I'm going to use the darker gold and then I'll go back in with the lighter color. So now I'm gonna go in with the lighter gold color and just go on top. You just want to make sure that you blend it out. And then for blush, I have this Blush Bazaar by Tarte. It's just a bunch of like the Amazonian clay. You guys can see. I'm probably gonna go in with I think I'm probably going to go in with, so this is what it looks like. Color that I'm thinking I'm going to go in with is Authentic. Just go ahead. So I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade 53C. I'm gonna put this on top. Then I'm just gonna use this primer and just spray it all over my face. Okay guys, that is it for the look today. I think this turned out pretty nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button, please subscribe and share this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!